Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to navigate the Nerdwallet homepage. Are you new to Nerdwallet and wondering where everything is? Here's how to navigate the homepage and get the most out of your financial dashboard. First, log into your account at nerdwallet.com. Once you're in, you're going to land on the homepage dashboard. This is your command center for all things money. At the top, you're going to see a navigation bar with sections like credit cards, banking, loans, investing, mortgages, and more. Click on any category to explore Nerdwallet's top-rated products, calculators, and comparisons tailored just for you. Scroll down and you're going to see personalized cards like your credit score, linked account overviews, spending insights, as well as suggested articles or offers. On the left or top right, look for your profile icon. That's where you can access settings, account information, and notifications. If you want to search for something specific, use the search bar at the top of the page. Type in anything from best travel credit cards to how to refinance student loans. And at the bottom of the homepage, you're going to find links to tools, resources, and Nerdwallet's blog for deeper financial knowledge. Everything you need to manage, compare, and improve your financial life is right here, clearly organized and easy to access. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, share, and subscribe for more Nerdwallet walkthroughs to help you master your money one click at a time. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.